Electric and heated blankets can make cold nights cozy, but buying online can be risky. Today we're checking out Cozzies, a heated blanket that looks tempting on paper. Is it actually heating you up, or are you just getting a regular fleece? Let's check it out. According to the sales page, Cozzies promises built-in heating wires, multiple heat levels, a timer auto shut-off function, foot pockets, and premium material warmth. Everything you expect in a proper electric blanket. This is the kind of product that claims to save on heating bills while keeping you cozy through cold nights. Sounds good, but what about reality? Here's where things get messy. Several reviewers reported that the heated blanket they received had no heating system, no controller, no power cord, and no temperature settings. Effectively, it was just a plain fleece blanket. Additionally, many orders reportedly came with missing controllers or accessories, meaning if the heated wires exist, there's no way to control them. The brand's claimed thousands of reviews didn't match up with reality. Some reviewers found that the store's domain was newly registered, yet the reviews went back years, a sign of fabricated ratings. Customer service seems unresponsive. Several buyers said they tried to contact the store for returns or refunds, but got no reply. All of these strongly suggest that Cozzies may be selling a fake, misleading product. At best, a cheap blanket. At worst, a scam. Even for real electric blankets, safety is a crucial issue. Experts recommend checking for safety certifications like UI, BEAB, or similar, a functional auto shut-off timer, proper wiring installation, and a clear manual with clear instructions. Heated blankets, if poorly made or without safety compliance, can overheat, developing wire faults or even posing fire risk if misused. In the case of Cozzies, reported missing wiring and missing controllers. That safety compliance looks dubious at best. So is Cozzies heated blanket real or fake? Based on user reports, missing components, suspicious reviews, and the lack of transparency, it leans heavily towards fake and not trustworthy. If you buy it, treat it as just a cheap fleece blanket. Don't expect heating. Don't rely on its safety. If you want a real heated blanket, go for a reputable brand with safety certifications, verified reviews, and a clear after-sales support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.